Welcome to the Gulf Coast Emergency Response Training Academy. We are a 53-acre industrial emergency response training facility that was designed and built by industry. Because of our unique facility, quality programs, and highly experienced instructors, we believe the Gulf Coast Academy should become part of your emergency response training program. From our classroom curriculum to realistic hands-on scenarios, your response team will become not just certified, but qualified to meet the emergency conditions they may face as responders. At the Gulf Coast Academy, your responders will develop positive reactions based on repetitive hands-on training. Computer terminals can provide information, but emergency response skills must be practiced in an atmosphere that closely resembles an actual emergency setting. At the Gulf Coast Academy, we train realistically. We teach responders to think critically and develop multiple and unique solutions. Areas of training we offer at the Gulf Coast Academy include industrial fire response, confined space rescue, incident management and command, trench collapse rescue, high-angle rope rescue, and hazardous materials response. We also offer medical first responder and emergency medical technician courses. At the Gulf Coast Academy, it's possible to complete training in multiple disciplines during the same day. We have also been asked to provide training at night and on weekends. We are always willing to work with you to find a solution that works with your schedule. All of our training is customized to your needs. Once your curriculum and schedule are confirmed, you, the client, will sign off on it before the course takes place. This results in training programs that have no surprises. You know what to expect before your team arrives. The Gulf Coast Academy has been entrusted with training in many sensitive locations, such as Department of Energy plants. We respect the client's privacy and adhere to the strictest safety guidelines. Whether your plant is a nuclear facility, textile manufacturer, petroleum refinery, or a chemical production plant, the Gulf Coast Academy brings a level of knowledge to your emergency response training that is virtually unmatched. We employ specialists from many different industrial settings who have not just read a manual, but in many cases wrote it. Our faculty members have been in command positions during some of the most dramatic and difficult events in recent United States history. From terrorist attacks to natural disasters, the experience they possess will have a positive influence on your emergency response team. We utilize realistic training props in our programs, such as railroad tank cars, overturned highway trucks with automobiles pinned beneath them, and actual confined spaces that are both above and below grade. But it's our instructional staff that completes these to create the enjoyable learning environment our course evaluations reflect. Let our instructors' attitudes rub off on your team. At Gulf Coast, we understand it's important to get the most from every dollar spent on emergency response training. We listen to our clients and together with them, design custom training programs that are both economical and enjoyable while exceeding all OSHA and NFPA requirements. Based on end-of-course evaluations and customer comments, our approach works. Please schedule a visit to the Gulf Coast Training Academy. Our contact information is on the screen. Call us today and transition your emergency response training into a more enjoyable and educational experience. Scenario-based response training. It works.